So here are some samples printed on the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer. Look at the fine details. This is the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer. Now it has got a maximum print speed of 250 mm per second compared to products with an average printing speed of 50 mm per second. It also uses more than 65% shorter time when printing the same model. Now this comes with a new integrated extruder with a 7000 RPM cooling fan to ensure rapid cooling and molding of the model. It is compatible with multiple filaments such as PLA, TPU, PETG, and other types of filaments. So now what I like about this 3D printer is that it has got a LeviQ 2.0 auto leveling, and that actually saves a lot of time in the setup where other printers require a manual leveling. It also has got a renewed UI design as it comes with a 2.4-inch LCD knob screen, which provides a more intuitive and easy to navigate interface. So as you can see, this has an all-in-one structure. It consists of 5 modules with a gantry frame structure design. It's easy to assemble and less maintenance for a fast printing experience. So we're going to show you how to print a 3D model from the control panel. So let's print a 3D model. So from the control panel, go to the file icon and select that. So we have already loaded in the SD card provided by the printer manufacturer, and here are some sample files. We will print the spider, which is 19 minutes. So press on the knob to start printing. It's going to preheat the printhead to the required temperature as well as the build plate to 60 degrees. So the 3D model is printed. So we have actually fast forward the entire printing process. If you would like to see the actual printing, please click on the link over here. So to remove the sample, once it's cooled down, just remove the build plate and you can just simply bend the build plate. So this is the model that's printed on the printer. You can see the details. So this is the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer, an entry-level 3D printer for hobbies. Do check it out.